Hello people, Erin here again. Did you know that my sister Sarah is in a club at her school called Best Buddies. She has a buddy named Alex, and she's a girl. I don't know much about the club, but it's for special needs kids, is all I can tell you. And if anyone wants to comment on this video, and let me know more about this, and what they do, I'll update my channel and interview my sister on it.